The Odisha Legislative Assembly is set to witness a politically charged monsoon session, with the opposition preparing to corner the government over several key issues. From the MMDR controversy to flood management to the textbook row and farmers' concerns, several matters are expected to dominate the proceedings. The monsoon session of the Odisha Legislative Assembly is scheduled to begin on September 22 and continue until October 3. According to the schedule, the session will have a total of 9 working days. Several important legislative and administrative matters are expected to come up for discussion. Of the scheduled period, there will be 1 holiday and 2 no-meeting days. The opposition is likely to target the ruling party over the MMDR issue during the upcoming monsoon session. Earlier, opposition parties had demanded a 2-day special session of the assembly to discuss the matter. The ruling party, meanwhile, has stated that it is fully prepared to respond to all questions and issues raised by the opposition. Flood management in the state is also expected to be a major issue during the session. Opposition parties are likely to question the government over its handling of the flood situation and seek answers on the measures taken to manage the crisis. The textbook controversy may also take center stage during the monsoon session. Opposition parties are expected to raise concerns over errors in textbooks and the delay in distributing books to students. According to sources, while the opposition is preparing to target the government over these pressing issues, the ruling party is making preparations to defend its position in the assembly. Other issues, including the teachers' protest, students' elections in higher educational institutions, and dissatisfaction among farmers, are also likely to feature prominently during the monsoon session. With several contentious issues lined up, the upcoming assembly session is expected to witness intense political exchanges between the opposition and the ruling party.